Welcome. This tutorial is part 1 on how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Outlook. In this tutorial, we will learn how to schedule a meeting, and we will also learn how to reply to a meeting request. To start, click on New in the Standards bar. Click on Meeting Request. Now, to schedule a meeting, write the recipient name. Write the subject. Select the location. Select the start and end time. Click on Send to mail this meeting request. Now we will learn how to respond to a meeting request. To respond to a meeting request, go to your inbox. You can see the business meeting request. Open the message. To accept the business meeting request, click on Accept under the Respond group. To decline the meeting request, click on Decline. You can also propose a new time for the scheduled meeting. To accept the meeting request, click on Accept. This is how you can respond to a meeting request. To decline a meeting request, click on Decline under the Respond menu. To delete a meeting request, click on Delete under the Actions group. You can also move this meeting request to another folder by clicking here under the Actions group. To forward this as attachment, click on Forward as Attachment under the Actions group. You can also categorize this meeting request by clicking here under the Options group. You can flag a meeting request. You have learned how to schedule a meeting and how to reply to a meeting request in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you.